Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to make this dandelion inspired gift wrapping idea. Here's what you'll need: your gift box, tissue paper, a stapler, scissors, a marker, a hot glue gun, and wrapping paper. So what we're going to do first is we're going to cut a strip of this tissue paper that will make our dandelions. So we will just cut, and you can cut through 2 pieces at the same time to make it nice and full. Now what we're going to do down the length of the tissue paper is we're going to snip some fringe, and the width that we're looking for is about 1/4 of an inch, maybe a little wider than that. And it does not have to be perfect. It will still look really nice. And you are going to cut about halfway into the piece of tissue paper that you cut. So those snips of fringe should be about 2 inches. Okay, so we are almost to the end here. Now in order to turn this into a dandelion, what we're going to do is we're actually just going to roll it up. So using the side that you didn't cut, you're going to roll there. You can pinch it at various points if you want to make it a little fluffier, but just kind of rolling it is fine. Now when you get to the end, we're going to staple it. Then you will bend the base to give yourself something to glue down onto the gift, and we will fluff the top of the dandelion, and all you have to do is press down. Fluff it out, press down, and it'll eventually shape into that circle that you're looking for. If you find that any of your pieces are abnormally long, you can just cut them off and no one will ever know. But now what we're going to do is trim the base, and then we're actually going to glue it to our package using hot glue. We want to make sure that we make stems to our dandelions, so just using a marker, I'm going to make a very simple arch shape, just freehand. And then we're just going to make a little leaf at the base, very simple. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hot glue our dandelions onto our gift box. So just one little dab is about all you're going to need. To make your second dandelion, you repeat the same process, a little smaller, maybe about a 3.5, 4-inch strip of tissue paper, and complete it in the same way using the scissors to trim. You want to make it even smaller. And there you have it, a really sweet spring-inspired design, perfect for any occasion.